Brought to you by JEGS.
Royal Purple Max Clean is a state-of-the-art fuel system cleaner and stabilizer that maximizes performance and restores lost fuel economy by deeply penetrating deposits and cleaning injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Tests show that one treatment of Max Clean can restore lost fuel economy, maximize horsepower, remove deposits and buildup, and stabilize fuel during storage. Intake valve deposits and combustion chamber deposits can reduce fuel economy by an average of 2 to 7%. But with Max Clean, lost fuel economy is restored by 5.5% with a single tank cleanup. That's over 17% more than the competition. Intake valve deposits are formed by oil slowly seeping past the intake valve guide seals and down the valve guides. When oil reaches the hot valve, it sticks and burns, forming black carbon deposits. These stubborn deposits are very difficult to remove, but Max Clean prevents intake valve deposits and optimizes performance, at least 4 times better than the nearest competitor. Combustion chamber deposits can result in detonation and buildup of heat and hot spots that damage head gaskets, piston rings, and rod bearings. Royal Purple Max Clean removes over 68% of combustion chamber deposits to effectively reduce emissions and improve performance. Oxidative stability of hydrocarbons in fuel impacts how quickly they chemically break down to form gums that stick to engine surfaces and coke into deposits. Max Clean stabilizes fuel and prevents deposit-forming gums, which is most important during low use and storage periods. Because Max Clean provides a one-tank cleanup that's only required once every 10,000 miles, the dollar savings that result from decreased fuel consumption more than offsets its cost, meaning Max Clean actually pays for itself. So for restored fuel economy and improved performance, choose Royal Purple Max Clean.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.